In this guide, I'll show you how to add a non-Steam game to Steam. So the first thing you want to do is select Add a Game in the bottom left corner and go to Add a non-Steam game. Now this is going to open up a bunch of programs where you may be able to find your game, and if you can, simply select it and then go to Add Selected Programs. Now if you can't find it, we're going to go to Browse in the bottom left corner, and then you'll want to find the game application. So in my case, it's on my C drive, so I'm going to select it right here. And then I'm going to go to Program Files. So what you'll want to do is have a look through Program Files or Program Files x86, and then try and navigate to where the game would be. So since I have my game on the Epic Games launcher, I went to Epic Games and then selected the game. And I'm going to select the game application and go to Open. So now it'll automatically be added to this list and you can select it and add the selected program. Then you want to go to your game library and have a look for the game. And once you can find it, you'll be able to double click on it and go to play and it should open up. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.